Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business without the stress of stocking shelves, shipping packages, or completely emptying your bank account? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I will show you how to start your own print-on-demand business from scratch. And by the end of this video, you'll be all set to start selling your designs online and turning your creativity into cash. Let's dive right in and get your business up and running. First things first, you'll need to find a niche and then identify the products you want to sell. And it's best to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will make everything that much easier, whether it's fitness, gaming, or even cats. Picking the right niche is key to targeting the right audience. And once you've locked that down, it's time to identify some popular products that will actually sell and make you money. Start by searching trends on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Pinterest. Look for high-demand items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or even phone cases. Found something that looks good? Well, make sure there's an actual market for it with Google Trends. Simply enter your keyword to see how it's performing, or you can also compare multiple keywords to see which one's trending. Make sure to choose your target country and time frame for spot-on insights. And don't forget to take seasonal trends into account. Stuff like holiday-themed shirts are a huge seller. So now comes the fun part, creating your design. And if you've got an artistic side, you're in luck. But if not, don't you worry. You don't need to be a graphic designer to whip up something amazing. You can use tools like Canva for easy drag and drop designs. And if you're not too familiar with this, we suggest checking out Canva's tutorial page. You'll find it right in the description. But if you're not really feeling like flexing your design muscles, no problem. Just let AI do the work. However, you'll still need to get creative with your prompts. OpenAI's DALL-E is a great tool to get started with, and it's got the familiar and easy-to-use ChatGPT interface. You will need a Plus subscription to use this image generator, but it's only $20 a month, so not that expensive, really. Alternatively, you can check out Merchant Forward. In addition to helping you find the top-selling designs and niches, it has got the Merch Designer tool that you can create awesome designs with quickly. And it costs even less than DALL-E at only $9.99 per month. Plus, there's a free trial available. Once you've nailed your design, head over to Placeit. It's a fantastic tool for creating mock-ups of products with your design on them, and it even allows you to make them from scratch. Now, finally, make sure to check the copyright of your designs before making them available for sale. You don't want to be using trademark content without the owner's permission. I've linked the registries for the US and the UK in the description, so make sure to take a look. Now that your designs are ready, it's time to pick a print-on-demand platform and bring them to life. And there are plenty of great options to choose from, like Redbubble, Printful, and Printify. For this tutorial, we'll be using Printify, as it's one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms out there. Getting started is pretty easy. Click sign up at the top right corner of the screen and enter your details. You can also use your Google account. A short questionnaire will follow, and you'll be asked about your occupation, experience, and what countries you want to sell in. Choose the answers that most accurately describe your situation. Now that you're logged in, let's create your first product. Just click Create First Product. When the new page opens, pick one of the options. Alternatively, hit View Printify Catalog at the top right for more products. Enter your keyword into the search bar, choose the product base you like, and then scroll down to pick your supplier. Once you've chosen Start Designing, Printify Image Editor will open up. Use the options on the left sidebar to craft your masterpiece or upload a pre-designed visual. Hit Save Product once finished. You'll be able to start selling products by choosing Launch Pop-up Store and filling in the details. Starting out with Printify is a solid move, but if you really want to take things up a notch, launching your own website is a must. And the sooner the better. That's because having your own website gives you more creative control and higher profit margins. So, in this part of the video, we'll show you how to launch your print-on-demand website with Hostinger and connect it to your Printify account. Hostinger's WooCommerce hosting is the best choice for your new business venture. It comes with everything you need to get started and grow further. Plus, getting started is a breeze. Just click the link in the description and pick the cloud startup plan. When the checkout page appears, select your subscription duration. The longer the period, the less it will cost per month. Also, if you go for a yearly or longer plan, you'll receive a free domain name and an extra 10% off with the discount code WOO10. Now just fill in your payment details, and that's it. After the payment has been processed, you should be redirected to HPanel. If you weren't, go to the Hosting Your Homepage and hit Log In at the top right. Then enter the login credentials you used when making the purchase. Now go to the Websites tab, click Add Website, and select WordPress. We'll start by setting up the admin login details. Choose the language, make a note of the admin email address, and create a password. Then click Next. We're building a print-on-demand website, so choose Online Store as your website type, and again click Next. Here, you can check out the pre-built website templates and pick the one that catches your eye. You can also browse through various themes if you want to mix things up. If you're a WordPress pro, feel free to build one from scratch, but if you're not, stick with the templates and save yourself the hassle. Now on the next page, keep the default plugins and press Next. At this stage, the setup wizard will ask you to pick a domain name. You can claim your free domain that you got with your plan right here. Just enter a name, select it from the drop-down menu, and then fill in the details. If you're running low on ideas, you can set up the domain later and just click the Use Temporary Domain option for now. Now give WordPress a minute to install and prepare your website. Once the website opens up, click Get Started to set up WooCommerce. Fill in the details and hit Continue. Now scroll past the Add Product section. Let's sort out the payment methods and shipping first. Click Set up Payment Method. Not sure which one to choose? Go for Woo Payments. It accepts debit and credit cards as well as local payment methods in over 135 currencies. Just hit Add Plugin. Once Woo Payments has been installed, click Payments on the left sidebar and hit Connect Your Store. Enter your email address and check your inbox for a verification link. Next, you'll need to answer a couple of questions on your business location, type of legal entity, and what products or services your business sells. Finally, fill in your estimated annual e-commerce revenue and the timeline for launching your store. Complete the setup and Woo Payments will be linked with your bank account or debit card. And your online store will be able to accept payments once the payment status is shown as enabled. Okay, now go back to the onboarding. Pick this option from the left sidebar under Hostinger. Here, let's set up shipping first. To do this, click Shipping Methods within the Ship Products with Ease section, and hit Add Shipping Method. When the new page opens, click Shipping Settings at the top and tick Default to Customer Shipping Address. Then save the changes. And there's really no need to set anything else up as Printify will be handling the shipping for you. And there you have it, your brand new online store. In the next part of the video, we'll go over some customization options for your site and cover a few must-do essentials to get you up and running smoothly. First up, let's install Printify for WooCommerce. Choose Plugins from the left sidebar. When the page opens, hit Add New Plugin at the top and search for Printify. This is the plugin we want, so click Install Now. After the installation completes, click Activate. Now go back to Printify website and hit My Store at the top right. From the left sidebar, choose My New Store and select Add New Store. Pick WooCommerce from the list and enter your store's URL. If you didn't pick a domain name before, just enter the website's temporary web address. When the WooCommerce verification dialog box opens up, choose Approve. Any product you upload to your Printify store will be also automatically synced with your website. If you've added any before, you'll find them under Products on your WooCommerce website. If you haven't, go ahead and set up some before we proceed. Now let's go ahead and customize your website. We'll kick things off by editing your homepage. There's already one in place from your pre-built template. To do so, go to Pages on the left sidebar and click Edit under the page that's marked as the front page. If you want to change anything, just click on the element. Check out the panel that opens up on the right. You can change the images, dimensions, colors, and so on. And all the changes will be reflected in real time. You can edit any text by simply clicking on it and typing in the changes. Now, over here, you can add new content blocks. Just click the plus icon that appears when you hover over elements and choose one from the list. One of the blocks you should definitely check out is the AI Content Creator. You can use it to create new content for your pages and posts. Just click the respective block, write a description, and click the Create Content button. Once you're happy with your edits, hit Save at the top right of the page. Now just head back to your pages list and ensure you've got all these essential pages, which is products, cart, checkout, about, contact, and FAQ. Also, give each page a quick edit to match your brand, just like you did with the homepage. And don't forget to pass by and inspect your product pages as well. To do so, click Products on the main dashboard. And if you are missing one or more of the pages from this list, you can quickly set them up with the AI Content Creator. From the main WordPress dashboard, hover over Hostinger and choose AI Content Creator. Now choose Page as the type, and next select the tone and length for the content and fill in the page's description. If you want particular keywords to be included, specify them below. Once the content generation has finished, check out the output below. Click Edit as Draft to proceed. The process will be the same as before. You'll just have to click Publish once you're done. And just like that, your print-on-demand website is almost ready to roll. Now just double check that all your Printify products have transferred over. With our setup, Printify will handle all your shipping and your customers will pay via Woo payments. Now give your pages one last check to make sure everything's spot on, and that's it. And now that your site's live, let's talk marketing. One great idea is to add a blog and write about hot topics in your niche using trending keywords. The AI Content Creator can help with that. Or you could kick things off by running ads on Google and Meta to promote your new venture. Well, that's it for today. I really hope that you're all set to dive into your print-on-demand journey. We've tackled products, designs, tips, Printify setup, and launching your store. Make sure to share your thoughts or experiences below in the comments. We'd really love to hear them. And also leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more helpful videos just like this one in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your dropshipping journey.